Hello everyone, this is Matt from Rare World Review, and today I'm going to refurbish my BlackBerry Pearl 3. Now you may think this is pretty pointless, but I think it's a pretty cool phone, so we're going to do it anyway. Also, I got this kit for a pretty cheap price, so let's get started. So pretty much all you need for this is the T6 driver, so you want to remove these two screws right here, and then these two screws on the back, and start removing all the panels on the front, like the keyboard and the plastic screen cover. Now there's going to be two more screws under that plastic screen cover, and then this little plastic piece will come out. Make sure to unplug this cable first. Now if you push on the back and add a little bit of pressure, it'll kind of clip out like this, and that's all you got to do to remove the back. Now obviously you want to make sure that these are either the same or that you know what to move over, but right now it looks like they're both the same. So now we're going to put the board into the frame with the charging port left side first, and then we're going to push down on the right side. Now we're going to add those two screws on the top, and then these two screws on the bottom, and then these two screws on the back. Next, what we want to do is clean up the screen, and then also clean up the little plastic lens that we're going to put on here. Remove or add any adhesive if you need to, depending on your situation, and then just set it on there. It should just clip in on the top. Next, we set the keyboard in place, and then we can set this bottom piece in place. And you can remove these plastic pieces if you want, but I chose not to. Lastly, we want to put in the battery to make sure that the phone powers on, if I can remember how to install a battery, and put the back on, and the phone should just power on by itself. Now we're going to wait like 20 minutes for this to power on, but either way it should be good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRWR, and feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Also subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this and other repair and review videos. And hit that bell button so then YouTube actually reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.